You've probably heard about trucking business finance, but do you actually know how it works? Whether you're a seasoned trucker or just getting started, managing your finances is key to success on the road. So let's hit the gas and explore the essentials of keeping your trucking business financially healthy. First up, let's talk about budgeting. It's not just about saving receipts and paying bills. It's about planning ahead, knowing your costs, and ensuring that your income covers all expenses. Start by identifying your fixed costs, like truck payments and insurance. Then keep track of variable costs, like fuel and maintenance. By understanding where your money goes, you can plan for what's ahead. Now let's shift gears to discuss financing options. When it comes to growing your fleet or upgrading equipment, loans and leases are popular choices. Loans can be a good fit if you want to own your truck outright, while leases might offer lower monthly payments. Weigh your options carefully and consider consulting with a financial advisor to make the best choice for your business. Next, let's cover the importance of cash flow management. In trucking, cash flow can be unpredictable, with payments often delayed. It's crucial to maintain a cash reserve to manage these ups and downs. Consider using factoring services, which allow you to get cash quickly by selling your invoices. This can help keep your wheels turning even when payments are slow to arrive. Taxes, everyone's favorite topic, right? As a trucking business owner, understanding your tax obligations is crucial. Keep accurate records of all income and expenses. This will not only help during tax season, but also provide insights into your business performance. Don't hesitate to work with a tax professional who understands the trucking industry to ensure compliance and maximize your deductions. Navigating the world of trucking finance can be overwhelming, but you don't have to go it alone. FMCSA Registration.com is here to help. As the leading online service provider for the transportation industry, we assist motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States with FMCSA registration compliance. Visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707 for more information on how we can support your business. Remember, the road to financial success in the trucking industry is paved with smart decisions and careful planning. Keep your budget tight, explore financing options, manage cash flow, and stay on top of taxes. Thanks for joining us today. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights to keep your trucking business rolling smoothly. Safe travels and see you next time.